y'all. We are in Chaji right now. One of my favorite forms of transportation. We're gonna be hitting some local spots today, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for all the local things that we're gonna be doing. We get our peeps and we got to experience them, and we want to experience more of the local scene. So we're gonna be doing that soon. So y'all make sure to stay tuned and watch. All right, y'all. Peace. Hello, Asante people. Mambo. Hey, what's up everybody? You're tuned into TNT. This is our first local dish. It is called Ugali. We got chicken Ugali right here. Look at that. First time getting local. We got prawns. Look at that. Local dishes, y'all. Look at everybody. Look at that. Yes. Chicken makange and Ugali and kachimbari. Yes, my girl is telling me this beautiful young lady here. Look at all the beautiful faces telling me. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna try these local dishes and I will get right back at you. Babe, look what he got. The prawns. So normally you eat this with your hands, y'all, but I have nails, so I'm gonna eat it with the fork.
Be like, we don't got it. Mashed potato, we don't got green. We don't got it.
We're out of cornbread. Ain't no oxtails left.
Oh, yeah, we take that.
It's all by itself. It's good though.
Ugali.
That's a great place out this too, man.
They've got his T-bone steak. Prawns. We're gonna have some of this is going home with us, y'all. We ain't gonna be greedy. It's gonna come home.
You know.